and glanced over his shoulder. In the next room, his bed was calling to him, promising dreams of ancient wonders and more enlightened times.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
A mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it is not open.
So this week we're talking to Dylan Quarles. He is a man of many talents.
This town, I encourage anybody listening to Google Port Townsend after this program, obviously, or you could do it concurrently if you
hit
want.
pause.
Like,
We don't care.
yeah, come on.
Let's get into There Be Monsters a bit.
Yeah.
Happily, it's contributing to my sales for sure, especially the audiobook is really popular with people because the narrator, big shout out to Harry Frost, does a phenomenal job, one, and two, he's British, so he sounds so good reading.
Cool.